Facebook, Amazon, Google, Microsoft both had a better earning than expected last week. However, I'm seeing some concern on Facebook, Amazon on the technical aspect. So in this video, I will share my view on what could potentially happen on their share prices. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Thanks for joining me for the weekly stock market update. My mission for the channel is to share my knowledge and our trading opportunity, and hopefully more beginners can learn and profit from the market. If any of the topic is of interest to you, I would personally love to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. Okay, let's dive right in. Last week, we have a better earning report from Meta, Facebook. All right, you can see from trading view here, click is in green. So you see, surprise on the upside, surprise on the upside on the earning and also the revenues. Okay, so price immediately gap higher. All right, so what do I mean by gap higher? You can see right here. Do I think it's healthy? There's a problem here. The problem is we don't have much of the volume to stack up. So first thing is the standard volume indicator is not that much volume. In here, the accumulation did pop up a bit higher, but through here, the volume is higher. Here, I don't see if is the accumulation line come up above the previous high. A little bit more healthy, but now, we shall see if this gap doesn't hold and close. That's not very healthy. You want the price to stay above the gap. Okay, if price stay above the gap, okay, maybe we'll have more room to the upside, but how much more room to the upside? Bigger picture, you see we have another gap here. We could close this gap to around the 291. So see this gap here, we could close that to 291, which is bullish. So if its price stay above this 240, I might look to be an intraday trader to the upside, but probably won't happen until after the Fed meeting on Wednesday. So I will be putting this video up on Wednesday anyway. So keep an eye on the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Another one that I want to talk about is Amazon. Slightly different picture. Better earning is post-market. It did jump up quite a bit higher after the market closed on Thursday 27th, which you can see here. Surprised on the earning, 45% on the upside, and then the revenue as well. However, price immediately closed off the gap on Friday. You see a bearish bar in that, which is not very healthy at all. So yeah, big volume, and then now closing back lower. So I'm not that bullish on Amazon until we can clear this 114, and that if it stay below, watch out on that, because although Facebook and Amazon do different things, but ultimately they are still technology companies. So I like to see all of them do healthy things, like go up together. If Amazon can't go up, be careful. That's what I'm trying to say anyway. Okay, so this is what I see from the stock market this week. If you guys have any other stocks that would like us to cover, drop us a comment. Otherwise, we'll see you next week for the stock market update. Thanks so much for watching.